This tutorial is applicable if you have registered to the Winner 2025. Sign into RingCentral account. To enter the Backstage, click on the link that has been provided. You will then be directed to the Backstage. Once you're in, your video will not be shown on stage. You can also use the private chat box to ask the stage managers to invite you. Once you're on stage, your video will be shown. There are several features you can use while you're on stage. You can turn your audio on or off by clicking this microphone icon. Turn your video on or off by clicking this icon. You can give reactions and raise your hand. Adjust your mic and camera settings by clicking this icon. To present your slides, click on this icon, or you can send your materials to us so the stage manager can help share them on screen. To return to the Winner main event, simply visit one of the areas in RingCentral by clicking on the icon.